Hey, Pamela here. Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk to you about multiple income funnel. We're going to go over to my back office and take a look. Give you a quick overview. Let me get me back on screen. So here we are. Let me sign into my back office of multiple income funnel. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe and hit all on the bell icon so every time I put out a video, you'll get notified. So here we are in the back office. Costs $49 to sign up right now. It's half price for a limited time. I don't know how long it's going to last, so you want to go ahead and sign up right now. They do run contests every month. You click right here to get access to that. You earn points by doing different things like commenting, uploading videos, things of that nature. Once you sign in, you'll watch this video right here. Step 1, Step 2, you set up your income streams. There are 4 income streams that you set up. Let's click on this here and see what we got. Income streams. Number 1 is multiple income funnel. Number 2 is E1U Life. Income stream 3 is TextBot. And income stream 4 is Traffic Authority. Then you go here to set up your e-wallet. And then you will take a tour of the back office. That's how you get set up in multiple income funnel, or MIF as they say. There's also bonus income streams you can use here. My Legion Secret, Scalability Pro, Crypto, Fastlane Affiliate System, Powered Lead System. I also use this one, and Be Echo. So those are the bonus income streams you can use with multiple income funnel. And right here, got your links and capture pages. You can add tracking links so you know where your conversions and signups are coming from. Facebook capture page, Facebook VSL, video sales letter. Then there's lead capture pages. There's 3 of those. Then there's a video sales letter and a video sales letter with timer. And also you'll be able to see how many hits you get, how many leads you get from those hits, how many people watch the VSL, and how many sales you get from each one. Then we go up to traffic. Traffic will take you to Traffic Authority. And I'm going to be doing another video on Traffic Authority that you'll be able to watch and get the information. Okay, so let's go back here to MIF. Here you got your team members. Over here you will find your leads. Here is the leaderboard for the contests. And here you have your resources, and your resources that they give you are email swipes, web banners, several web banners that you can use in your business, and social media images. Some nice images there you can use. They give you a Facebook post and ask that you don't just copy and paste this, that you make it your own. Because if there's hundreds or even thousands of people posting this same information exactly like this, platforms will mark this as spam and not show it. So you want to make it your own. And then there's training. They offer training here. 7 steps to success with MIF Marketing System Success Training, and then recordings of the weekly training calls. On Mondays, at 5 o'clock Eastern Time, there is a live training call. And then every day in Facebook, there's a live training at 11 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yes, there's loads and loads of training. There's hundreds and hundreds of hours of recorded training in here for you. So the training is really good with MIF. And you always have your sponsor you can talk to. Here we get to work on you, getting traffic, following up with your leads, using YouTube, Facebook, time blocking, launch, and bonuses. The emails, you get, I think it's 7 emails written for you. It is advised that you change them up a little bit, make them your own, because you don't want thousands of people sending emails to sometimes the same people. They're on multiple lists, so you want to make sure that you make the email copy your own. And that's pretty much it. Working with multiple income funnel is really easy. You just set it up once and promote your link, and that's pretty much it. And follow up with your leads, and yeah, then the system does everything for you. They will send out your emails for you once someone signs up. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So if you like this video, hit the like button, hit subscribe, and all on the bell icon, so next time I put out a video, you get notified. Thanks, guys.